Hello Adorians, this is Romel, welcoming you to another episode of The Inside Story. Today I have with me Mr. Sachin Dobhada from R&D and Mr. Suryakant Sethia from Finance. A very warm welcome both of you.
Thank you,
Romel. Thank you for this opportunity.
Mr. Dobhada, you are the head of R&D and Quality and have been with Ador for over 17 years now. So can you tell us a bit about your journey?
From taking charge of Technology Development Center, I had been involved in establishing inverter-based machines, receiving design awards, CE approvals to delivering indigenous substitutes against imported machines or imported materials. There is a long list.
And Mr. Sethia, 7 years of association at Ador.
Over the years, Ador has given me multiple opportunities to take on new responsibilities and work with amazing colleagues like you and Sachin. This also helped me to grow both professionally and personally.
Alright, but finance can be a perfect partner to support R&D.
Yeah.
What do you guys think about it?
Yeah, you need to understand, Romel. And there is no way forward for any new development if there is no financial support. Finance had always held our expenses on priority. And I will say our achievements today can be directly associated with the financial support received at Ador.
So Sachin is absolutely right, Romel. At Ador, we never put any constraint for the investment on R&D. Though these investments can be costly and risky, but they are critical to drive the innovations and for the future growth and to be competitive.
You know, Sethia ji, finance chiefs are required to play a very key role in allocating capitals, budget to R&D projects and measure their effectiveness.
So let me put like this: Sachin sends me a proposal. As a CFO, I ensure the proposal is aligned with our organization strategic goal and provide necessary financial backing. I also ensure that R&D initiatives are financially viable and have a clear path for the commercialization.
Here's another question. I can put it across to both of you right now. Your team's biggest achievements?
Every year a new challenge appears in front of us and each of them are unique in nature. 2021, everyone knows it was quite challenging. At one hand, we were stuck in the pandemic, while on the other hand, our company was going through a change in terms of the management, culture, people and work.
And Mr. Dobhada, what would you say?
My list is very long, but what stands out is the development of reliable, sustainable and 100% Make in India inverter range of products. That's it.
That's it. Short and sweet as always.
Yes.
Huh? And challenges?
Having 100% reliable and consistent product performance was the challenge thrown before us. And I feel very proud in saying that today our field call rate almost matches global standards.
And Mr. Sethia, what can you say?
So as a CFO, there are many challenges which comes with the job. On one end, I need to ensure that the organization is financially stable and profitable, which may require making decisions that are unpopular in the short terms. But on the other hand, as a CFO, I need to balance the need for the long-term growth and investment. Another major challenge is risk management.
Okay, I would really like to hear from the two of you about the work culture at Ador.
I see a transparent, positive and spirited Ador working around the clock, ensuring peace of mind for its customers.
And to build on this, we are very democratic in our approach and we are very open in culture.
Oh yes, we are very open in our culture, that's true. Thank you gentlemen, thank you for your time Mr. Dobhada and Mr. Sethia.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ram.